Um, Good afternoon, boss. Fixed expenses that are almost constant, and although the work is not carried out, though they must be incurred since they originate only from the passage of time. Depending on the infrastructure such as communications, software, premises, cameras, office, events, furniture and equipment, personal external providers, transportation, among others. All of these must be covered. Within the graphic design budget, indirect expenses should be included for the simple fact that they are usually presented at the moment, but they turn out to be expenses within the work, supplies, software, transportation, personnel, among others. Reinvestment expenses, despite not being essential, are included to achieve growth. Each one of these expenses usually integrates the cost of a design project and must be taken into account when calculating each one of the elements that can integrate the set of expenses. It is important to specify the professional fees of the designer, and this must be done based on the complexity of the work, the time that will be used to carry it out, the benefit that the client obtains for the project, and the volume of work assigned to the designer. Cost per hour, the value placed by the designer for each hour invested in the project to be designed and is proposed when it's pertinent for both the client and the professional. When it is more comfortable for the designer to advance based on the price of the hour or availability of time, when a project is not completely defined in its development. Cost per project is paid the time of completion of the project or when the design professional decides to retire for any reason. It is generally proposed and when both parties are willing to reach the end of the project. When the client needs to how much they are going to pay for the design, and when it is known that there will be no need to constantly budget for change in the project. It's also necessary to leave a contingency percentage of the percent for any eventuality, error, inconvenience, discount for any special offer. We are attentive with the team of any suggestions, any costs or expenses that we have overlooked to go through with the accounting area and begin to review the real values of each one of them. Thanks.